What is this? Maybe. This is hard!
Give it! You got that? Oh, my God. Remind me next time not to fall from the same. Hi, I am the math genie. I am here to help you solve this problem. Let's see what this problem is exactly. Oh, God. How? Are they trying to kill you? Don't they know that math stands for mental abuse to humans? Thankfully, I'm not a human. I'm a genie. Okay, so, sit down, my child. I am going to teach you how to solve this heck of a problem. Now, you may be asking yourself, what is this? Camera guy.
Blooper!
Blooper!
Go.
Alright. Get over here! Bloopers! Okay. So you may be asking yourself, what in the fudge is this? Well, my child, this is Pythagorean theorem. How do we solve for Pythagorean theorem? We must go to the magical land known as the back of your mind, which hasn't been destroyed yet from countless cells being destroyed. All right, we're in the classroom now, okay? Don't ignore the fact that we're actually right there at the beginning where we were. Just pretend like we're in the classroom, because that's acting. And acting looks good. So, this, my friend, is called the Pythagorean theorem.
You just told me about this book.
Shut up. Okay, so how do we solve Pythagorean theorem? We just gotta do a squared plus b squared equals c squared. You may be wondering yourself, what is this wizardry? It's not wizardry at all. It's just solving. For instance, thank you, camera. So, this is going to be labeled A. This is going to be labeled B. It doesn't matter because they're just side links. Okay, so, how? This hypotenuse will always be labeled C. How do we know that's the hypotenuse? Thanks to this handy-dandy little angle here known as a square. It's always going to be 90 degrees, and it'll always be a square, which will point you straight to the Shut up. Which will always be pointing straight to the hypotenuse, which is the long length of the triangle. So let's write this out. A is 6 plus B is 8 equals C, which is 9. So now we're going to square these sides. So 6 times 6 is 36. 8 times 8 is 64, which will give us the answer of C. Now you may be asking yourself, what? Well, I'm going to teach you how to solve this easy peasy. So, I just had a brain fart. So, what you're going to do now is you're going to add these up. So, 4 plus 6 equals 10. 6 plus 3 equals 9, which will give us 100. And now we're going to divide this by 2. I need a calculator. So, the square root of 2 is black. What he's
Trying to learn!
So, the square root of 100 will be 10, because it's basically just cutting that. If you do 10 times 10, you'll get 100. That's that simple. It's just multiplying the number against itself. So, if you use the same principle, you could actually solve it quite easily by just doing this exact opposite.
So C is 10. Alright.
The correct answer is 10. Now do you understand, boy? I want you to do all these by yourself.
I got it. The answer's 15. Hey, nerd, I see you do the homework.
Hey, that's not nice.
The hell is this?
Cut. Wow, you stood up with me. The joys of the Pythagorean theorem are by your side forever. Let's be friends. And so, thanks to the amazing math genie, John solved Pythagorean theorem. The end.